Guys, in this video we are going to see how to convert a number from decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, decimal to hexadecimal. But before we go and do this one, let's look at the numbers. For the hexadecimals, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and after that A represents 10, B represents 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. So when we convert, when we get 10, 11, 12, those kind of number that is greater than 10, we have to replace that one with A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now let's look at an example. Let's try to convert this 223. This is a decimal number, and we are going to convert this one to hexadecimal. To convert this one to hexadecimal, we have to divide this one by 16, and if we divide this one by 16, that's going to give us 13, and the remainder is going to be 15, and again we have to divide until we get 0. So if we divide again, we are going to get 0, and the remainder is going to be 13. Then we have to write from bottom to top. So the hexadecimal number is going to be 13, 15, and the base is 16. And for 13, this is 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is D, right? And the 15 is F. So we have to write this one as, this is equivalent to DF base 16. And that's how we do the conversion. Now let's look at another example. Let's try to convert 348 from decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, we have to divide this one by 16, and if we divide this one by 16, that's going to give us 21, and the remainder is going to be 12. And again we can divide this one, we have to divide until we get 0. So if we divide this one by 16, that's going to give us 1, and the remainder is going to be just 5. Okay, 16 plus 5 is 21, so we are going to have 5, and we can divide this one again by 16. This time we are going to get 0, and the remainder is going to be 1. Then we have to write this one from bottom to top. So this is going to be 1, not comma, this is going to be 1, 5, 1, 5, and then 12. For 12, we have to replace this one with this alphabet number. 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C. So we have to replace this 12 with C. Okay, so this is going to be 1, 5, C base 16. And that's how we do the conversion from decimal to hexadecimal. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.